Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 online. First, make sure you own the game on Steam, as this is essential for the multiplayer experience. Next, you will need to download and install a community-made multiplayer modification, often referred to as a mod. After installation, register an account on the mod's official website. Finally, launch Euro Truck Simulator 2 through the dedicated mod client to access the online servers. Once the mod client is open, you will see a list of available servers. It is wise to select a server with a good ping and a suitable player count for your preference. Some servers might have specific rules or regions. After choosing, you will pick a starting city, just like in the single-player game. Always ensure your current game profile is compatible with the multiplayer mod to avoid any issues. When driving online, it is crucial to follow all traffic laws, including speed limits and road signs, just as you would in real life. Always maintain a safe distance from other players to prevent collisions and ensure a smooth journey. Use your horn and lights responsibly for communication, not for harassment. If you encounter any rule breakers, utilize the in-game reporting system to help keep the roads safe for everyone. To truly enhance your online trucking experience, consider joining a virtual trucking company. These groups often organize large convoys and events. Using a microphone for voice communication with friends can make long hauls much more enjoyable and coordinated. Don't be afraid to explore new routes and cities alongside other players. Finally, keep an eye out for community events, as they offer unique challenges and opportunities to connect with fellow truckers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.